Whenever you see my video, just know that there is something I'm about to say that will definitely make you better, because my aim is to empower you with the right skills you need to achieve success. So, as a result, I want to make an announcement. I recently released a new course that is titled Financial Analysis and Modeling with Microsoft Excel. So, when you enroll in this course, you'll be able to analyze the finances of an individual, of an investment platform, or the finances of a company. Because in this course, we'll be talking more about financial statement, financial modeling, performance evaluation, and ratio analysis, alongside some other subtopic of the course. Now, when you talk about financial statement, I will go deep dive and explain the concept of income statement, balance sheet statement, and then the cash flow statement, which will help you understand the finances of a particular company and monitor its cash flow, monitor its assets and liability, then monitor its income and expenses. And one thing about my course is that it has been broken down into easy to follow parts. When you enroll in my course, you will definitely give a testimony. Very simple and easy to understand. Then I'll also teach you about financial modeling, where I will show you how to make predictions into the future, given a particular objective that you want to achieve. Then we'll talk about performance evaluation and begin to discuss issues such as ratio analysis, where we'll begin to go deep dive on how one company is evaluated in relation to the other. This is where we begin to discuss profitability ratio, liquidity ratio, and solvency. All this ratio will help you bring out a quantifiable value that will help you evaluate company A and company B, so that when you want to invest either in bonds or in the real sector, you have a proper guide on what is happening in that sector. Or maybe you want to evaluate investment A and investment B and decide which one is more profitable and which one is more effective. So you can now channel your funds to the right place in order for the return on investment to be something lucrative that will pay off. I hope you understand. So this course is for individuals who deal with finances. For example, financial analysts, individuals that work in the finance department, people that work in bank, people that work in real estate companies, people who are leaders, because even leaders need to enroll in this course. That's because when you understand finance, then anything someone brings to you someday is something you can easily comprehend. And situation whereby someone will just remove some zeros after the decimal, claiming it doesn't really make anything because the law of mathematics says you need to round up. That situation will not be there, because you will be equipped to know that in finance, we don't approximate. So there are some hidden knowledge you can come to know as a result of enrolling in this course if you are someone who is at a leadership position in one way or the other. Then, in addition to that, this course is for those who use Microsoft Excel, because it will help you understand the different dynamics of Excel and how it can be used across different discipline. Then, if you are someone who is interested in finance, or you just want to get knowledge of how finance work, you can also enroll in this course. So just click on the link in the description and go to the platform where I host my courses so you can enroll in this course. I'll see you on the inside.